So this video is going to show you how to get your Google app password so that we can place it into a plugin called WP-SMTP. You can watch my other video on how to set that plugin up, but for now this is just for the password. You're going to sign into your Gmail account or your Google account, and then you'll click on your name or user profile picture and click on Manage Your Google Account. On the left-hand side, you'll click on Security, and you'll scroll down to how you sign into Google. You're going to have two-step verification turned on for this to be able to work. So we'll click on two-step verification, scroll down to App Passwords, and click on this arrow. And from the Select App drop down, you're going to select Other. And you can really name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Website because that's where I'm using it. And then you'll click Generate. And you just select this code and copy it and click Done. And that's it. Now, if you're working with me, you can just email me that password through the password link, or you can go ahead and place it into your WP-SMT plugin program. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.